cents.
You're a customer. You're gonna have to go up and get lemonade again.
Yeah, read them first.
We're gonna do it again.
Lemonade.
Lemonade, 10 cents. Hello. I have 50 cents. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Okay, but read.
You forgot your lemonade.
We're sticking to just, we know you have 50 cents, but we want you to say, can I have some? And then drink it.
Can I have some?
Okay?
Sure.
And then, what do you say? You turn around and drink it. That's good. Where's it from?
Or you can do this.
No, you can do that. And say, that's good. Where's it from?
Aiden, pay attention.
That's good. Where's it from? It's from Orlando.
Oh, and then you walk away. Okay, next guy.
Aiden.
And when you say, that's good, say it real loud so the whole audience can hear you. Pretend you're that's good.
That's good.
Where's it from?
Where's it from? It's from Orlando.
Okay.
I like
Okay,
Orlando.
next. Cool. Come on up.
We're practicing the skit. You
Say.
don't watch the whole thing.
Stop, just for a second. Say, can I have some lemonade?
Four.
And drink it. And say, that's good. Where's it from?
That's good. Where is it from? It's from Orlando. He spilled it.
Say, it's really low.
That's real low. Come here, Orlando.
There we go. That's it. That's all you gotta do.
You can lift your leg up if you want.